In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video in Amazon Listing. Adding a product video is one of the quickest ways to boost customer confidence, answer common questions visually, and showcase your product's features. I'll walk you through the exact path in Seller Central and share a few helpful tips along the way so your upload goes smoothly the first time. Start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the top navigation and go to Inventory, then choose Add a Product. This opens the workflow for creating a new product page. On the next screen, select Create a New Listing. If you've never done this before, don't worry, Amazon will guide you through the required fields. Now, fill in your product details. This includes things like your product title, category, brand, and key attributes. Take a moment to be clear and accurate here. Strong, compliant data reduces the chance of your listing or your video being delayed in review. Keep an eye on any fields marked as required and use concise, customer-friendly language. It's a good idea to have your product identifiers and core specs handy so you don't have to backtrack. After you've entered the basics, scroll down until you find the video section. This is where you'll add your media. Click Upload to open the file picker. You can add a main video, which appears most prominently on your listing, and additional videos for more detailed angles, demonstrations, or user tips. Before you upload, make sure your video is clear, well lit, and focused on the product. Keep it informative and to the point. File format and size requirements can change, so check Amazon's current guidelines for supported formats and limits. MP4 and MOV are commonly accepted. A short, high-resolution clip with clean audio typically performs best. Avoid claims you can't substantiate and ensure your content follows Amazon's policies. When you add your main video, give it a descriptive title that helps customers understand what they're about to watch. If you're adding extra clips, think of them as chapters. One for setup, one for features, maybe one for care or maintenance. If you have captions ready, include them to improve accessibility and retention. Once your videos are in place, review the rest of your listing for accuracy. When everything looks good, click Save and Finish. Processing can take a bit of time, so don't worry if the video doesn't appear instantly. After it's live, check your detail page to confirm playback quality and positioning, and consider revisiting later to refine based on customer questions and feedback. That's it. You've uploaded your video to your Amazon listing.